everybody, it is Dietitianzet here. We are here in sunny South Africa on a farm, Bundu bashing. We have been blessed with some rain, and today we're going to make a keto pizza. So first off, what do you need? 2 cups of almond flour. That's for your base. And then you need your cheese for the topping as well. And then you need mozzarella cheese as well for the base, 2 tablespoons. I'm going to mix in some Italian herbs with my base and the egg. So your almond flour, your 2 cups, your 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese, your herbs and your egg is for the base. Then when we get to the topping, you can add any keto-friendly foods you like. I'm going to add some mushrooms, tomato, sausages, avo for once the pizza is done, bacon and green pepper. So please remember that high-fat foods are more energy dense. So when you used to eat a high-carb pizza, where you used to eat an entire pizza, remember that these keto pizzas are a lot more energy dense and you don't need to consume an entire pizza. Please stay tuned for the recipe. So my pizza base is ready. Please remember to first bake the pizza base a little bit until it's golden brown. Remove it from the oven and only then add your toppings and put it back into the oven. So here we go.
We've got it.
So now I'm going to enjoy my pizza in this rainy weather. Yummy. Mijn mond is gebrand.